Hey guys, In a Man's Head here, and today I'm going to talk about Acorns app and the features it has. So I've been using Acorns for about a year, and I want to show you the amount I've accrued in a year. If you look at here, how much I've been adding per 30 days. Now this records how many times we use our debit card. It rounds up, and then in my settings I've multiplied it by 2. So if you look at invest, you see right here it says 2x. So if I spend $5.01, it takes 99 cents, or it rounds up 99 cents, and then it multiplies it by 2. So almost $2 it invests. Every $5 it will invest. And then I also have a recurring monthly feature where it invests $15 every month. It also has an option where it allows you to invest however much you want. Do you want to invest $30 this month? Maybe you made a little extra money and you want to invest that. Now, the type of investments it actually does, let's go to performance. This is the last year. So you could see right here, it's actually less than a year. So I started depositing in August 14th, and then it slowly has grown up. All right. Mostly it invests into ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but you get the benefit of dividends. So if a company they're investing in pays out a dividend, which is a recurring, normally a quarterly recurring thing, so it will invest. And you could also tell that it goes with the stock. So there's a dip here. The stock market went down about $20, and then it goes back up. Right here is a big dip. I withdrew personally $100 myself. I just wanted to briefly go over this. It's a very helpful application for those who want to be investing but they're too scared to invest. This application goes on your phone. You put your debit cards in the settings, and then what it does is it just adds monthly and every time you use your debit card. Now, there is a monthly charge on this guy. It's only $1. And as you could tell, that $1 barely makes an impact on the performance here. If we go back to home, let me see if I could show you the type of investments that have been happening. So if you go into settings, if you're on home screen, click the button, go to settings, and then go to my portfolio. Now you get to choose this early on, and you could change it up too. I went with moderate aggressive because I wanted to invest mostly on large cap stocks. Honestly, this is not that risky and it's not that aggressive. Now, if you want to go even more aggressive, they will take out government type bonds, and they will increase your small caps, international large caps, and emerging markets. Now, the emerging markets to me is a little risky, but hey, if they shoot up, great for you. So I went with a semi aggressive portfolio where you could see the different types of investment and the percentages it does invest in. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to leave these investments in for another year probably, and maybe next year withdraw and take the family out on a vacation. Check out what I'm at now. It will go a little over double by the time of next year. Reason why I say that is you have to consider the dividends that get purchased and the more increased amount of purchases we've been making. And I'm sure a few times I'm going to actually have times where I'm going to make a one-time investment, $10, $25, or $50, or even $100. and then you're gonna grow from there. If you like this presentation, if you like Acorns, go ahead and hit one of the I have an affiliate link. It won't cost you any money, but it will give me $5 credit towards my investment. And in the future, you could also invite your friends for $5 increment investment. Anytime you have someone sign up to Acorns, Acorns will go ahead and give you $5. So if you like this presentation, if you like Acorns, go ahead and hit my affiliate link. And if you like more videos like this, hit the like or subscribe button.